बॉर्न अ नॉर्थ इंडियन, दिल है इसका पूरा साउथ इंडियन। बचपन से ही माँ बाप की लाडली, पढ़ाई में होशियार, नाना नानी की जान। आंखों में इसके हमेशा रहती थी एक प्यारी सी रोशनी, इतनी क्यूट। ना जाने कैसे भगवान ने बना दी इसको मेरी बहन। एंगे पिंगे मुंह तो ये बनाती, पर बहुत प्यारी ये लगती। शी इज डैडीज गर्ल।
Happy birthday, Sarabjit, Timsi. May God give you a very long life, a healthy life. You and your family. Amandeep, Ekam, I wish you all the best. Happy birthday, beta. You are a darling, you are a gem of my life. I love you, I love you, I love you.
मामा's number one fan। बिल्कुल, मम्मी की तो ये लाडली थी।
हैप्पी बर्थडे टिप्सी, आई लव यू। मैं नानी बन गई हूँ, तू माँ बन गई है। बहुत खुशी है, वाहिगुरु तेन उमरां बख्शे। खुश रहो, अपनी लाइफ खुशी ना जियो, बस यही बात की आस है।
हैप्पी बर्थडे अक्का, हैप्पी बर्थडे, आई लव यू अक्का। ब्रूनो तो इसका दीवाना है, हमेशा लड़ती झगड़ती, पर यहीं से इसने अपने हक के लिए लड़ना सीखा। ये बड़ी स्टाइलिश। ओह माय गॉड, देखो तो इसका पोज। ओहो, स्टाइलिश एंड एलिगेंट, लिव्स इन द मोमेंट। और फिर बनी है मेरी बड़ी बहन। हर रिश्ते को निभाना ये जानती है, भाई बहन की तो ये क्या कहें, हम सब की इसमें जान बसती है।
हैप्पी बर्थडे टिम्सी बेटे, ये शादी के बाद तेरा पहला बर्थडे है। कांग्रेचुलेशंस, मम्मी भी बन गई अब तू, है ना। चलो बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो बेटे, चलो गॉड ब्लेस यू।
हैप्पी बर्थडे टिम्सी बेटा। हैप्पी बर्थडे टिम्सी दी।
हैप्पी बर्थडे।
बढ़िया, आफ्टर मैरिज आपका पहला बर्थडे है।
पार्टी ट्यू।
एंड जल्दी मिलते हैं।
टेक केयर, बाय।
Happy birthday Timsi. You got a best gift in your life which Babaji gives you. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday once again. और एकम को बहुत सारी blessing देना और प्यार।
Many happy returns of the day, Timsi Di. God bless you and God will fulfill all your dreams.
हैप्पी बर्थडे टिम्सी, गॉड ब्लेस यू। भगवान तुम्हारी सारी मनोकामनाएं पूरी करे।
Thank you. Bye.
हमारे घर के 4 स्तंभों में से सबसे मजबूत स्तंभ ये है। ना जाने इसने हमको कैसे संभाला, हर बार ये हमारी ताकत बनकर खड़ी रही है। वक्त बीता, टाइम बदला, छोटी से बड़ी तो हुई और फिर एक दिन अचानक हम सबको छोड़कर इसने अपना नया जीवन शुरू किया, जब इसकी जिंदगी में अमन जीजू आए।
बहुत मुबारक। जब से तो मेरी ज़िंदगी चाहिए, तब से मेरी ज़िंदगी बड़ी खुशहाल हो गई है। तेरे उस तो बाद तो एकम जो मेरी ज़िंदगी सब तो बड़ा ज़िंदगी का तोहफा देता, तो उस तो बाद मेरी ज़िंदगी कंप्लीट ते नाल फैमिली कंप्लीट हो गई है। लव यू सो मच बेबी, आई लव यू। हैप्पी बर्थडे सरजीत, आई लव यू।
तो बर्थडे की मुबारक हो, बहुत बहुत मुबारक है। तो इस मसले में हम कल गुरुद्वारा भी फंक्शन करेंगे। आज चलो टाइम हो गया, बारिश थी तो कल फंक्शन करेंगे। और आप बहुत अच्छी है। छोटा जो है हमारा पोता, ये भी बहुत करता है, आपको तंग करता है तो खेलता भी है। तो और सबको मुबारक मेरी तरफ से, आपके परिवार को मुबारक आपके बर्थडे की।
आपको आपके जन्मदिन की मुबारकबाद देती हूँ। आपको परमात्मा लंबी आयु दे, खुश रखे और सदा खुश रखे, और आपके परिवार को भी सदा खुश ही रखे। और मैं आपको यही दुआ देती हूँ कि भगवान आपको हमेशा लंबी आयु दे और खुश रखे अपने परिवार के साथ। और अपना छोटा बेटा एक को भी खुश रखे और एक भी ठीक रहे, आप भी ठीक रहे।
Happy birthday, Tutti. Thank you. I love you.
I love you too. And you know that, right? Happy birthday, Akka. Oh, I'm gonna hit it right. Please. Next video. Memories are forever. May your birthday be the bestest of all the times. Divine friends from Divine Providence High School. तेरे स्कूल के सारे फ्रेंड्स तुझे इतना मिस करते हैं, तुझे इतना प्यार करते हैं, और उन्होंने आज तेरे लिए कुछ खास मैसेज भी भेजे हैं.
Hi Sarabjit, how are you? And wish you a very, very, very happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Hi Sarabjit, Isha here. Many, many happy returns of the day. Have a great year ahead.
Hey Sarabjit, a very happy birthday. Have a fun-filled year. Hope you're enjoying your motherhood and hope the little one is doing fine. Have fun. Bye.
Hi Sarabjit, this is Raji here. Hope you remember me. Yeah, first thing when I got a message from your sister telling that it's Sarabjit's birthday and we, if we can send a message to wish her, that would be great. I was like jumping. I said, yeah, all the memories then flashed back, you know. I remember you as that fair girl with two plaits, that too folded, and the specs without frame. Oh my god, I've got the best memories, I think, because one, you were my bench partner. I think it was in 10th. I don't remember very well. We used to sit back. Behind us, it was Nikita and Gauri. We used to have lots of fun. Yeah. And then I think the best part was having lunch in Gurudwara. Me, you, Nikita, Sheetal Desai. I mean, we used to never have lunch together. I mean, we used to go home, but then again we used to thought let's have it at Gurudwara, and it was to be awesome time. I mean, I've had the best time there in Gurudwara. One. And I think the Mahabaleshwar trip, after we returned back from Mahabaleshwar, me, you, Sauji, we all were playing in the pipe, water pipe, and we were like completely drenched. We went home afternoon. We reached morning, but we reached our home in the afternoon, just walking. Me and Sauji were talking a lot that day about the whole trip. And yeah, that was one more thing. And the best part was, I think, the vacation time, me, Nikita, Sheetal Desai and Gauri again. We went through the highway and your place. You had shifted your place there recently, and then you were running a dhaba there. And behind that dhaba was a mountain. Oh my god, I just can't forget that mountain climb. It was so wonderful, and it was already getting dark, and I was like the scariest girl. I like, let's go home. But I had the most wonderful memory on that mountain and in your house, having that aloo puri. I think that was some memories which flashed back just yesterday. I mean, otherwise I had completely forgotten about it. But then when those memories came, I just could not sleep last night. I mean, it was the best. And one more thing, wishing you a very, very happy birthday on this day. And may God bless you with abundance of happiness, love, health and strength.
Hi Sarabjit, wish you a very happy birthday. Have a great day. Bye.
Hi Sarabjit, happy birthday. Have a wonderful day ahead.
Hi Sarabjit, this is Mohini here. Hope you remember me. Many, many happy returns of the day. Stay blessed, dear.
Happy birthday Sarab. रंजिता दी के विशेस तेरे लिए. एंड देन अपने फेस को कैसे बोले, आखिर मैं भी एक फिनिक्शन हूँ यार. तेरे टीचर्स ने तेरे लिए बहुत से स्पेशल मैसेजेस भेजे हैं.
Hello Sarabjit, it's such a long time since we have met each other, seen each other, and it's so lovely to know that your little two pigtail sister, she called me up and she told me that she wants to give you a surprise. I hope it's a beautiful surprise for you. Your sister is doing so much for you on your birthday. I hope you will have a wonderful, wonderful birthday, and may the Lord bless and keep you. May His face shine upon you, and may He grant all the desires of your heart. I've dressed up just to say happy birthday to you. Have a wonderful birthday. God bless you and love you so much. You always were such a sweet, charming, and soft-spoken kid. I remember you. You were, very, very studious and very obedient and respectful. And I remember you with all those beautiful memories. And you have surely made everybody proud. Your teachers, your ex-teachers, your principal, your late principal. He must be, stirring in his grave right now. God bless his soul. And also your parents and all your friends. God bless you and bye-bye.
Hello Sarabjit, how are you? Where are you? Do you remember me? Yes? Do you remember me? Okay. Many, many happy returns of the day. Stay blessed. How are your parents? Whenever you are free, you call me. Convey my thanks to your sister. Bye. See you.
Hi Sarabjit, this is Anil sir from Belgaum. Hope you remember. Many more happy returns of the day, Sarabjit. Truly, you are an exceptional student. You made me proud to be your teacher. May all your dreams come true. God bless you.
Hi Sarabjit, wish you many happy returns of the day. यार बहुत टाइम हो गया तुझसे मिले, एंड आई फील दिस विल गिव यू लिटिल बिट ऑफ हैप्पीनेस, so enjoy your day, and it's been many years we have seen you. Once I'm back to Bangalore, we'll surely catch up. Have a great day. Bye bye.
The dentist of PMNM College. क्या क्रेजी थे यार आप सब. ये तो यारों की यार थी, पर आप यारों ने भी उसे कभी भूलने नहीं दिया. और तेरे यार आज तेरे लिए कुछ कहना चाहते हैं.
Hi Sabji, wish you a very happy birthday my dear sister. अमृत ने मुझे सुबह में ही बोला था to make a video, but I was really held up today, तो अभी बना रहा हूँ. I wish you all the best my dear sister. बहुत अच्छा लगा कि Amrit called me and she remembered me about this. I'm very glad that I'm a part of this celebration. I hope you like it. बहुत कुछ है बोलने के लिए. We have been knowing each other since childhood. बहुत सालों तक हम लोग मिले भी नहीं हैं, फिर भी I still feel that we have that same connect, we have that same relation. And congratulations on the baby. All the best. I hope you're healthy and the baby too. Plan करूँगा. I want to meet you soon. And yes Sabji, all the best for your life. Wishing you the best. बहुत खुश रहना. I'll see you soon. I'll talk to you. कभी free हो गए तो you can call me. You can call me anytime Sabji. Okay. Anyway, happy birthday again. All the best. Have a great life ahead. Wishing you really the best Sabji. Bye.
हैप्पी बर्थडे डियर सरब. कैसी हैं? बेबी कैसा है? गुल ने गुलशन से पैगाम भेजा है. सूरज ने गगन से सलाम भेजा है. आंखों से देखे सारे ख्वाब पूरे हो, यही हमने आपके लिए पैगाम भेजा है. Many happy returns of the day dear.
Hi Sarab ma'am, wishing you a very happy birthday. May God bless you with lots of love, happiness and success. ये साल तो आपके लिए बड़ा बोनस होगा. शादी का सालगिरह, बच्चा. वैसे इको नाम रखा किसने? बहुत ही क्यूट एंड वेरी सिंपल नेम. लॉट्स ऑफ लव टू इको. टेक केयर.
Hello Sarabjit ma'am, wishing you a very happy birthday. May God bless you with bundle of happiness. Stay cool, stay safe.
Hi Sarab, best wishes to you on your birthday. But obvious, this is gonna be a very special one with your little baby. So enjoy a lot. You deserve all the happiness in the world. And whenever I think about you, I really cherish all the memories we have spent together, the good time we spent in Bagalkot. You were my roommate, and I really remember you for your very, very caring nature. And I miss your malish, wo champi telgi, which you used to do, and all the fun gossips which we used to have together. So there are many queued in line to wish you, so I won't take much of your time. So happy birthday once again and enjoy. Bye.
Hi ma'am, happy birthday. Love you. Congratulations for your baby. बहुत क्यूट है. जल्द मिलते हैं. Bye.
Hi Sarah मैम, आप कैसे हो? Happy birthday. A very very happy birthday and many many happy returns of the day. God bless you. Bye.
Happy birthday.
ਹੈਲੋ ਸਰਬਜੀਤ, ਹਾਂਜੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਬਹੁਤ ਮੁਬਾਰਕਾਂ ਹੋਣ ਦੀ ਬਰਥਡੇ ਦੀਆਂ। ਅੱਜ ਫਿਰ ਕਰੋ ਪਾਰਟੀ ਹੈਟੀ, ਖਾਓ ਪੀਓ। देख साढ़े बटाले तो हो रही है बारिश, अगर कठुए में भी हो रही है तो बना ले आज पकौड़े। और एकम का क्या हाल चाल है? हेलो बोलना उसको भी। चल एंजॉय, हैव अ वंडरफुल डे।
Hi Sarab, wish you a very very happy birthday and lots of love. Congratulations for your baby and happy birthday. That's my daughter. And hope to see you soon. I'm in Bangalore. We'll catch up whenever you come. Okay, don't miss. Bye. Love you.
Happy birthday Sarab. Have a great year ahead.
अपना लक्ष्मी डेंटल क्लिनिक फैमिली, ये तुझे कभी नहीं भूलते और ना तू इनको भूलती है। और मैम ने आज के लिए कुछ भेजा है।
Hi Sarab, how are you? Wish you a very very happy birthday. So, how's life with the little bundle of joy you are recently blessed with? Hope you are having a great time. Enjoy your time, enjoy your day. May all your dreams come true. Miss you so much, and so as this place too. Remember? See? Miss you. Love you. Take care. Have fun. Bye.
Hi Sarabji, how are you? Hope you're doing well in your happy married life. Really blessed to have a friend like you, be it chole bhature or your Loki kofte. I really miss you, and I heard your mom is with you over there. Convey my regards to her too, and all of them in your family. Okay, today is a special day. I wish you a very very happy birthday, and there's a special gift for you from my son. Okay, to Sarab Masi, happy birthday. See you soon, come soon, miss you. Yaad rakhna, I'm here. Okay, bye.
Happy birthday to you. Madam, happy birthday to you, madam.
Happy birthday, madam.
Hi, madam. Wish you many more happy returns of the day, and God bless you and your family.
Happy birthday, madam.
हाय मॅडम, कसं आहे? बरं आहेत ना? वाढदिवसाच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा.
A very special shout out to Mr. Robert Patterson for taking out his precious time and wishing my precious, if you know what I mean.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Hi, I hope you liked the video, and I'm truly grateful for each and every one who took their time from their daily lives and wished you, made your birthday a very special, extra special, super special for you, and brought back all the memories from childhood till now to your motherhood. And yes, I'm missing you so much, and I would like to say special thanks to Rosanna ma'am, Ankita di, Rasha di, Madhya di for passing all the messages to your friends, connecting them, bringing them to me. Purnima di also, a very special thanks to her for making all your school friends, college friends, school friends. Sorry, I'm fumbling a lot. But a very happy birthday to you. You mean everything to me, and I think this video says it all. I have no more words. I love you, and bring my Ekam to me very soon. I want to meet you both, and I'm waiting. I love you. To you, for you, by your special people in life. Love you, Dee.